The next thing is the business context or embedded finance context or the application of banking as a service. Let's go over what actually embedded finance means and what BaaS is here. So this guy here is Luke Strong. He's strong, has a lot of fans or customers. So he has like customer actually connections. And this is actually, so this thing, look at this machine gun thing. This guy was strong enough, but it makes him even stronger with this machine gun, which means that this guy also can offer loans or can have seamless payment user experience and can gather deposits, can offer points or cheap fees and highly secure. So embedded finance means that the companies can have this weapon in having the financial services capabilities easily. And this is called embedded finance. And what is BaaS? BaaS is actually this weapon itself. So BaaS is one of the tools that enables embedded finance. And actually, in the world, there are already things happening in this embedded finance space. I'll pick just one example, which is Walmart. So Walmart has a lot of stores, and many people come and stop and go. It isn't like once a year or anything. It's like really daily or weekly or stuff like that. So instead of just serving those customers, just, okay, you can buy things from us, they can already offer financial services or buy now, pay later, or loans and everything. And this is possible with something called BaaS. Yeah, they're actually powered by some company called Green Dot, or product called Green Dot, which is also a BaaS provider. And also, this trend is happening in Japan as well recently. For example, like companies like Takashi or Yamada, they are also using to be able to offer financial services to their customers. And it's very easy because BaaS is a kind of API integration. They actually started easily, and they actually serve not just goods that they have, but they offer the whole lifestyle. And that's why it's expected that this market is going to grow like crazy. And to understand a little bit more about what exactly Minna Ginko BaaS is able to do, for example, this is actually a use case that actually happened, not just like an imagined use case or anything. So look at this anime, really cute girl. This is a virtual debit card that they offer by just opening a bank account. And you can do things like this. You can just provide. This is actually amazing because think about Pokemon brand, for example. So this is the idea is for your company to be able to have a branch in their bank, because this bank is totally digital. They don't have to have a physical branch like Kichijoji or Shinjuku branch, anything. So they can have this Pixiv branch. It's possible with a company called Pixiv, and Pixiv is a kind of illustration service where you just draw something you like, and you can sell that there, and you can buy what you love, like illustrations. So you can have your favorite illustrations possible on the card, and you have the feel of you are together with that. This is an imaginary example, but one of the things that's amazing about BaaS is that we can do things like Shikai BaaS. Shikai is one of our services, which is a mobile application for navigating visually impaired people from point A to point B. So it's like a helper for visually impaired to live their life. They can freely go outside and they can do whatever they want. And even though Shikai is not like a service like Google, not like a massive service, but they have the unique strength, which is the direct relationship or direct interface with the actual visually impaired who are living. So instead of forcing them to open a bank account by going to a physical branch, the Shikai app itself can have a button to open the bank account through digitally, like completely digitally, so that they can get some lending when they get married or when they want to buy a house without the need to do things that are very difficult for them. And the very fact that the Shikai is not like making massive, but the very fact that the Shikai has relationships, has fans of visually impaired, makes it possible for these people to get benefits really easily by just having this Shikai app. And we're actually not a bank, but we are actually able to do it. So that's why we think BaaS is also really powerful. And from the bank's perspective, they can also have the customers as well, right? Because of our interface, a strong interface that have fans. Another example is that we can think about something like a paired account or group account, which is, for example, a family. Like when you have a baby and you get some otoshidama from people, then how do you handle that? You can probably start by, for example, we can collaborate with Benesse or companies that have interfaces with actual kids or parents, so that by using their service, parents will easily be able to select, oh, okay, this money is for my kid, and that kid also can have the account and he can learn how to use that money, and also parents can see how actually he used that money so that it can be used as a education, kind of a real education. And at the same time, Benesse or companies that have interfaces with actual kids or parents, they can also have a different business model as well. And for the bank, this is the first major, main bank for the kids. For the banks as well, they have benefits of getting users or customers that use their bank as a main bank. All of these things can happen with BaaS, and we can say that now, so as Angela Strange said, that every company will be a FinTech company. And we can feel that whatever company will be able to have this strength of the weapon of financial services capabilities. And with this, so we have this weapon, or let's say we have this surfboard, and we have this ocean of embedded finance. So what we need to do is to just have fun with it and surf it. If you guys want to be involved in this kind of interesting activities and amazing market, then please contact us and have a talk with us and say hello, and just let's communicate with each other for more things. Thank you. This is it.